Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draft perfect emails with ChatGPT in Gmail. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Tired of starting at a blank Gmail compose window? We're gonna fix that for you today. Open your browser and install this free extension named ChatGPT Writer. Then go to Gmail and open a new compose. Click the little AI icon on the Pin tab and write what you need. Need a friendly follow-up? Type write a casual follow-up to Jane after our meeting call, and you will get a warm, concise draft thanking her for her time, recaps the main point and suggests next step. Want to sound more formal? Ask rewrite this as a polished, professional email and watch the ChatGPT refine the tone, tighten the wording, and even suggest a subject line. You can also start from bullet points, introduce new product, request demo, propose date, and have ChatGPT spin that into a full email. If you need tweaks, just say it, and the AI will update instantly right inside Gmail. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.